You know what nobody wants to say out loud? AI content is fast, like scary fast. But fast doesn't mean effective. Let's talk about it today on the Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by Texas CMO. What wins in 2025 isn't human versus machine, it's who's smart enough to combine both. So here's the deal: AI gives you volume, gives you ideas, first drafts. It never misses a deadline and it never needs coffee. But it also doesn't know your audience. It doesn't understand nuance, subtext, or the feeling behind a message. It can write a blog post, but it can't feel urgency or sell the soul of your product. That's where human intuition comes in. The best marketers, they're using AI to do the heavy lifting, but they're layering on strategy, emotion, and that hell yes instinct AI just doesn't have. So if your team is all AI or all human, you're probably underperforming. This is the age of hybrid content. Let AI get you 80% of the way there, then let your best humans take it across the finish line. That's how we win now. Want to help build? You need help building out your hybrid content engine? Visit TexasCMO.com. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute.